Hi, I'm Carl Schultz, President of Pacline Corporation and Pacline Conveyors, Inc. Today I'd like to discuss a little bit about rotators. Rotators are attachments that are added to an overhead conveyor to allow the rotation of a product hanging beneath it. Overhead conveyors are a great way to convey materials around factories and warehouses and through processes such as paint or other finishing applications. Quite often, in those cases, it's necessary to present the four sides or all sides of a product to the operator or to another piece of automation such as a robot. And rotators can be a very convenient and inexpensive way to do this. What we have here is a variety of our rotators. These are standard rotators offered by Pacline. We have our RC705, which is a very basic and simple rotator. The product itself can be rotated manually by an operator, or you can have this particular rotator contact a fixed belt alongside the conveyor, and when it does, it will start the rotation of the product, presenting it for even spray painting, for example. Next to it, we have an RC706 rotator. These rotators are special because they have a sprocket on the top. That sprocket will engage with some kind of a rack on the side. This is a gear rack that's fixed along the side, and I've left one of these sprocket rotators engaged. So you can see what will happen if that conveyor chain is moving. This carrier will contact the rack and will start a very consistent rotation. Very good for automation such as robots, where you need to predict how fast it's going to turn. Beside this, we have our IC720 rotator. This rotator is unique because it holds loads in 90-degree positions. You can see how it turns and has a cam action that will hold it in 90-degree positions. The way you activate it, I'll just flip it up here so you can see it has a star plate on the top. When that star plate contacts a fixed actuator, such as this threaded rod, it will actually rotate that load 90 degrees. So if you put 3 of these in a row, it would pretty much rotate the load around. In addition to those standard rotators, we've made many special ones over the years. For example, smaller 90-degree rotators. So this one would also hold the load in 90-degree positions. You could use an SW406 swivel like this, and though it doesn't have a bearing in it, it is still a convenient way to rotate the product. Other smaller rotators for light parts. We manufacture heavy-duty rotators when you're using big, larger conveyor styles such as this 6-inch I-beam. This rotator actually has a capacity of over 1,000 pounds. There are a variety of other non-finishing applications where you would use rotators. For example, if I have operators along an assembly line that are installing parts, you might first of all want to present the front of a part to the operator, and at a subsequent station rotate the part around so that the back is showing. All in all, it's a very convenient and inexpensive way to add some automation to a standard product line such as an overhead conveyor. Thank you.